So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's a little bit of a different video really. I kind of wanted to talk about, like being the new year, I wanted to talk about not so much new year, new me, because that's a lot of nonsense, but yeah, I just wanted to talk about like different things that I wanted to do this year and things I want to try and improve on, things that I noticed last year about my videos that weren't, I wasn't unhappy with them, but there were certain things I wouldn't publish because I didn't do it right, and maybe because I didn't have a tripod or something like that, which I now have, and a new camera. So, well, this is my new camera that I'm videoing on now, so I don't know if anyone can sort of notice a difference. I am getting used to it, so you will sort of have to bear with me a little bit, of course. Along with the camera though, as I'll show you, I've got some new lights as well. I've got 3 new lights, so one's on the camera right now, and then I've got this ring light here which I bought earlier this year, and then also I've got this tripod. Ooh, look at that tripod. So yeah, I've got a new tripod, and I've got a couple of other bits and pieces, and even better than that for me mainly is that I've got a new computer coming, so hopefully sort of my editing can speed up a little bit. I didn't really need a new laptop in some respects. Like my last laptop still works, but I didn't buy it with the intentions of video editing, so the fact that I've been doing sort of video editing on it, it's not really up to the task of that, and sort of because of that, downloading videos takes absolutely forever, and uploading them is just as slow as well, which is frustrating. So I've sort of seen that I need to make some changes really, and I know it's been expensive, but I like doing it, so whatever, it's worth the investment for something you enjoy, isn't it? So in the last video we had a lot of questions about the hologram that we used. This is the hologram, and it's the Thwaites RAM, which he very kindly lent us. Now this RAM has a 2-inch stroke, and obviously you can see the new one there. This one we bought simply because we wanted a lighter RAM, because that's quite heavy, and we was hoping that the 20-ton one would be a bit lighter, but we did mess up because we ordered one with a 4-inch stroke or 100mm stroke on it, as opposed to the 2-inch of that. So we sort of messed up, but we're going to keep it because it'll be handy to have something with a longer stroke. So this is my hand pump here, that's exactly the same as the Thwaites one, and his one has a pipe on it, the same as this basically, which is a 1 meter long pipe. Now the problem with that is obviously when you're trying to hold the RAM, and obviously the pipe connected to it, as well as the hand, the pump, it is so difficult to try and do all of that whilst also holding the shims in place to push out the bearings. So what we did is buy this foot pedal here, which is an air over hydraulic foot pedal. You just put an airline in there, push down on there, and that pumps it up and that releases it, and obviously the fluid comes out of there and goes straight into that. Now this is the pipe that came with that, which again is a meter, which is so pointless when this will be on the floor. So we bought 2 1.5 meter pipes which can connect together as and when it sort of suits, and yeah, everything connects really nice and easily, so it's really good. Along with the holograms that we've got, this is the set that I bought for pushing out all the bearings and stuff. Now the smallest size is 44mm OD, which is this one, but what's nice about this is they all fit inside of one of these sort of spacer plates, and they're really good because you can just put them on the end of the RAM and it just acts as a huge washer essentially. Now how this set actually works is with thrust bearings, which are terrible actually. So we got some new thrust bearings from Bearing Boys there, and they work really well, because the original ones don't work so well, they break and get wedged inside the spacers. But yeah, it's a really good set, and for £60 it's well worth the money. Along with the RAM, it sort of all works together very well to sort of do the job that you need. So this is one thing we've got on the go, and if a certain person keeps breaking things, we won't be short of content. So I hope you'll enjoy the content that's coming up. We've got quite a lot to do, and yeah, we've got to start somewhere, so I'll be getting on with some of the projects very soon, and you'll see me fixing some things very shortly. But until then, take care. This is my hand pump, but what? So the hand pump we use. So this is my hand pump. Will you stop it?